Nature RX at CSS, a pilot project by Nicole, Megan, and Hannah. In an age where screens dominate and stress is an unwelcome companion to academic life, colleges are seeking innovative strategies to support student well-being. Nature prescription programs are a simple yet powerful initiative that reconnects students with the natural world to boost mental, physical, and emotional health. By encouraging time spent outdoors, whether in a quiet garden, on a wooden trail, or simply beneath the sky, Nature RX programs can transform nature into a therapeutic tool. The problem our project is addressing is that there's a lack of a nature prescription program at the College of St. Scholastica. Nature RX programs have been successfully developed and implemented at other institutions such as Cornell University, where they have demonstrated significant benefits to staff, students and staff's physical and mental well-being. We aim to implement a nature prescription program at CSS in order to increase awareness of the benefits of nature on mental and physical health. To support this initiative, we've created a Nature RX Google webpage modeled after Cornell University's Nature RX webpage that is available for CSS students and faculty.
The outcomes for this QI project include increasing awareness of the benefits of nature and nature prescription programs and how to use them, as well as creating a nature prescription program webpage at the College of St. Scholastica for students and faculty to increase time spent in nature, improve mental and physical well-being, and gain interest in a nature prescription program. The literature themes identified in our research include benefits of nature, such as improvement in mental and physical well-being with exposure to nature, and nature prescription implementation, as there is multidisciplinary interest in nature prescriptions and collaboration is necessary for their development. But there is a lack of clear guidelines on how to develop and implement a nature prescription program. The measures that will be used to monitor the usability of the Nature RX webpage include the bounce rate, or the percentage of web page visitors who leave after looking at just one page, which is then divided by the total number of web page viewers, the web page speed, or how long it takes the web page to load, and also the total number of weekly web page visitors. A measure used to monitor the interest and effectiveness of the Nature RX webpage includes the Program Feedback Scale Survey, which asks 8 questions about the interest in a Nature RX program at CSS and its potential impact on mental and physical health. Another measure used to monitor the effectiveness of the Nature RX webpage includes the System Usability Scale, which is a 10-question survey that assesses the functionality of the Nature RX webpage. Both surveys have a Likert scale that ranks the answers to the questions from strongly disagree to strongly agree. There's also a calculation that is then used to calculate the system usability score from the answers of the system usability scale.
And then on to our implementation plan. To begin the implementation plan, we assessed the need for a Nature RX program at CSS. And this was done in collaboration with WellU and Jennifer, who works at WellU. And there is determined that there is a need for this program at CSS. And we have therefore developed a Google web page that is linked on my.css that is done in collaboration with the IT department. And this webpage is available to all students and faculty members. And it is linked under my.css, and it's available through the webpage as well as several different keyword searches that will bring you to that page. This website will also be promoted through UWell and through flyers as well that will be distributed throughout the campus. And the theoretical framework we're using is Havelock's stages of planned change to help guide us in our implementation plan. And this is an example of, this is the web page that we've developed, and this is the home page. And there's several different tabs across the top where you can view different trails on campus, as well as descriptions of them and maps as to how to access them, as well as other activities in nature and further resources for students and faculty. And then here's our references.